Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we will talk about prepositions in spoken Egyptian. We will talk about 7 important prepositions in spoken Egyptian. For each preposition, I will give you a phrase so that you know how we use it in Egyptian. So let's start with the first preposition. Our first preposition is fi. Fi, it means in. Okay, so when I say, for example, the water is in the glass. المية في الكوباية. Water in the glass. المية في الكوباية. Sometimes in spoken Egyptian, we just take it fast. So we don't say في الكوباية, we just say في الكوباية. Okay, في الكوباية. It's the same thing, but we just make it faster for conversation. So المية في الكوباية, it means the water is in or inside the glass. The second preposition is on. على. على. When I say الكتاب على الترابيزة, the book is on the table. Okay, on. على. على. So الكتاب على الترابيزة. It's a very easy preposition and very common. So you say it with me. الكتاب على الترابيزة. The third preposition is عن, which is about in English. عن. So when I say, for example, أنا بتكلم عن أحمد, I am talking or I am speaking about Ahmed. So عن here, it means about. Note the pronunciation of the letter عين. عن. عن. About. أنا بتكلم عن أحمد. I'm talking about Ahmed. من is from. من. So, I'm coming from work. Okay? I'm coming from work. أنا هاجي من الشغل. Okay? أنا هاجي من الشغل. I'm coming from work. So, من الشغل, it means from work. من is from. من. 4 is ل. And ل here is a connected preposition. What do I mean by connected preposition? It means that it is linked or connected to the word afterwards. So when I say, for example, الهدية دي ليك. Okay, this gift is for you. So I say ليك, it means ل, which is for, and then this ik is you. Okay, this is when I talk to a male. When I talk to a female, I say الهدية دي ليكي. ليكي, for you, female. Okay, الهدية is a gift and دي is this. So this gift, الهدية دي. ليكي or ليك. So the lam is connected to the pronoun afterwards to make this word ليك or ليكي. So ل alone, it means for. Another pronoun that is connected as well or linked is the b. B. Like ل, b, it means by. Okay, so when I say أنا هروح بالعربية, I will go by car. Okay, أنا, I, هروح, H future, from the verb يروح, which means to go. هروح, I will go. By car, b, alone, and then connected with it العربية, which is the car, and we say in Egyptian بالعربية. Okay, بالعربية directly, like I said before, so we make it faster in pronunciation. So أنا هروح بالعربية, I will go by car. مع is with. مع, with in English. مع. So for example, when I say I'm with you, أنا معاك. أنا معاك. So I added مع, so I add مع to this أك, which is you. Okay, أنا معاك. So, or when I say, for example, أنا مع أحمد, I am with Ahmed. Here, when I said أنا مع أحمد, مع is separable, so مع is a word on its own, preposition on its own, which means with, and Ahmed is another noun, which is the name. Okay, whether or whereas when we say معاك, it is a connected preposition to the pronoun. So we have مع connected to ak, which is you. It became a single word, which is معاك. So أنا معاك or أنا مع أحمد. And what you need to know here is that مع, it means with. So now you know the meaning of 7 important prepositions. في, على, عن, من, ل, ب, مع. And you know the meaning of each preposition in a phrase. So you can try to use these prepositions in your own phrase, and also try to talk with your Egyptian partners, loved ones, friends, community about these prepositions, and you impress them that you know these prepositions. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget also to join my free course, Egyptian Arabic 101 Fundamental course. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. If you have any question about any of these prepositions, don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section below. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future episode.